How to fix WhatsApp not connecting to the internet on iPhone. WhatsApp stuck on connecting. Let's fix that internet issue so you can get back online. Swipe up to open the control center and toggle airplane mode on and off, like this. This resets your wireless connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. If one's not working, the other might be. If nothing works, go to Settings and search for Network and click on Reset Network Settings. Click on Reset. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords when you click on Reset Network Settings. Once your connection is stable, reopen WhatsApp and you should be back online. And just like that, WhatsApp is connected again. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.